Backing up photos, contacts, and your phone's other content to your PC or Mac has never been easier thanks to Samsung Smart Switch. To start, connect your phone and computer with a USB cable. Then, launch Samsung Smart Switch on your computer. On your computer, click Backup. Different content categories will display when you open Smart Switch. Select All is the default option, but you can deselect some items if you like. Once you make your choices, click Backup. Your computer will start backing up your phone's content, which could take several minutes. When the backup is done, a screen message will confirm completion. Click OK. You're all backed up.